Hey guys, my name is Marni and I am a professional wing girl and owner of the Wing Girl Method, which means it's my job to tell you tons of secrets about what women want so you can be super successful with them. So today is a very special holiday edition of these videos from your very own personal wing girl, me. Although the advice I offer can be totally used year-round. The topic for today is gift giving, and I decided to give advice on this because I got an email from Francesco asking this. Marni, I know the holiday time is meant to be fun and stress-free, but I'm definitely not feeling that way. I'm freaking out about what kind of gift to get the girl I just started seeing. I really like her, and I want my gift to make her happy and for her to like me more because of it. What do you suggest I get her? Help me, wing girl. I feel like this gift is a make or break for me. First of all, I can't believe we're even talking about the holidays right now. Didn't we just do this a couple of months ago? Like, I honestly swear every year it goes faster and faster. Second of all, if what you get for this girl really is make or break for your relationship, no matter what you get her, you're going to be breaking very soon. So let's dial it back a bit and calm down and get to thinking rationally before you have a heart attack. I get why getting a gift for the woman in your life can put pressure on you and even cause stress. It's not the actual gift itself that stresses you out, it's the pressure of what the gift may say or must say. And the thing to know about women is that the gift you buy for them says a lot to a woman. What you buy for a woman is more than just a gift. It's a statement of how you feel towards her, and you don't want to be saying things you don't mean. For example, if you've been dating a woman for 6 months and things are going well, meaning you're having great sex, you talk to each other almost every day, you've met each other's families, from your history and actions with her, you're getting pretty serious and you take her seriously. That's what you're saying. If you then give her a scarf, not a scarf she said she wanted, just a scarf and some beauty supplies and a candle, you're kind of saying to that girl that it's not as serious as she thinks and she's been misreading your signs the whole time. So you can screw yourself. The gift you give must be in line with how you feel about a woman and must also coincide with your level of commitment to her. So let me give you a few guidelines as well as a few gift ideas that will help you navigate the what to get her waters. Situation number 1. You just started seeing a girl that you like, but don't really know where this is going to go just yet, but you hope it goes somewhere. For situation number 1, you want to be sure to get something for her that shows her you're paying attention to her, like her, but that you understand that this is still new. A gift that is semi-personal and is around like maybe $50-ish. Select something that she mentioned she liked and would love to have. For example, one of those water bottles that keeps your water cold for like 24 hours, or a wine decanter because she loves her wine. Steer clear of over-personalized things like getting her makeup or buying her clothes. At this point, you don't know her enough and you don't know enough about her to get to know exactly what she would want or get herself. And if you get her these types of things, she may take it personally and think, does he want me to wear more makeup, or does he not like how I dress? Does he not like me the way that I am? You definitely don't want that swishing around in her head. So avoid anything that may say to her, step it up, ugly, or I'm leaving your sorry ass. Just kidding. But hopefully you get where I'm going with that advice. Situation number 2 is when you are past the I'm not sure what this is stage and I've jumped into she's someone I take seriously and I'm committed to. For situation number 2, you want to go for a little bit more personalized and intimate to show that she's someone special in your life. Things that show her that while this is still new, you're taking what you guys have seriously and there's a future there. So things like jewelry, something you make that has some kind of sentiment behind it, like a framed collage of pictures of you guys, or even activities that the two of you can do together in the future, like a spa day for the two of you, or a concert, a mini trip somewhere for the two of you, even like a Fitbit or one of those watches that tracks all your steps. But make sure you also get one for yourself and tell her that it's for both of you so that you can keep each other healthy, which is so cute. Again, things you guys can do together that say, I know you'll be here in 2 months and I want you to be. Situation number 3 is for the women in your life that are now permanent fixtures, like your living girlfriend, hopefully, fiance, or wife. At this point, you know she's yours, but that excitement level may have worn off and things are now kind of comfortable. This is when expressing and showing that you are really listening to her wants and needs is super important and that you know her better than she knows herself. A guideline for this is to get her one thing that she totally doesn't need but would not get for herself. something to spoil her because she deserves it. The other gifts, if you want to get multiple gifts, can consist of practical, useful things that you know she likes and shows you know her well. An example of a spoil herself gift would be something that is a little on the pricier side. For example, something that she's been looking at on the internet for months, adding it to her shopping cart, and constantly removing it because she feels horrible and guilty spending that much on herself. Maybe a beautiful jacket, some really nice bed sheets, a piece of jewelry, reservations at a fancy restaurant, a purse, a watch. Again, something she would not typically buy for herself because she would feel guilty about doing it. Examples of practical gifts would be buying her favorite fancy makeup, but it has to be the right brand that she uses, not just some generic one. Another good idea would be a gift card to her favorite restaurant, a mani-pedi, a day of babysitting, a membership to a wine club. Again, things that are practical and she uses but also finds pleasure in. As I said before, giving a gift to a woman can be tough, but it doesn't have to be. And hopefully this guide has sparked some ideas for what to get her. So now it's up to you to figure out which category your lovely lady fits into and which gifts you'll be getting her this holiday season. Want to see more videos on what women want? Then check out my website, winggirlmethod.com, or make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss out on all the important insider information I'll be sharing about what women want right here on Ask Men. If there's a topic or a question that you want me to cover and answer, make sure to tell me in the comment sections below. Once again, I'm Marni, your very own personal wing girl and owner of the Wing Girl Method, and I will see you soon.